People don't actually buy products on Facebook. They buy the life that they wish they had. And once you understand that, truly everything changes. Most people are using Facebook completely wrong if the goal is to make sales. Posting links, posting products, and begging people to buy. And then wondering why nobody is clicking the link and hitting purchase. But the people who are actually making daily sales, we are not actually selling products. We're selling a lifestyle, selling a story, and selling a feeling. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using storytelling, lifestyle content, and print on demand in a way that works for literally any niche. And if you're new here, I teach how to grow Facebook pages and turn them into multiple income streams. And one of the biggest mistakes that I continue to see creators make is they focus way too much on the product and not enough on the actual emotion behind the product. Because people don't actually buy mugs, they don't just buy shirts, and they don't just buy wall art. They actually buy identity. And once you fully understand this and start implementing it into your content, sales get a whole lot easier. So here's what most people do. They open an Etsy shop, they connect their Printify account, then they design a shirt, and then they go to Facebook and post something like, new shirt available, link in the comments. And then crickets, nothing happens. Why? Because there's no connection, there's no meaning, and there's no story. Facebook is not actually a marketplace, it is a storytelling platform. And the creators who are making consistent sales truly understand this on a very deep level. So let me give you some very simple examples. Let's say you sell things like a dog mug, farmhouse wall art, funny quote hoodies. You're not just going to go and post that product, you're going to post the lifestyle around the product. Instead of posting something like, here's my new mug, you could post quiet mornings, coffee, dogs at your feet, no chaos, no noise, just peace. Now people actually feel something and they want to buy and embody that feeling. They want to transport themselves into the space that they are seeing. And so ultimately they buy and recreate that for themselves. So lifestyle content quite literally becomes your sales engine. And this is where lifestyle storytelling becomes your most powerful tool. Building a world that people want to be a part of. So whether your niche is stay-at-home moms, pet lovers, entrepreneurs, fitness, faith, homeschooling, or just cozy home aesthetic, your content should actually show daily routines, simple life moments, emotions, and relatable life stuff. Because people will buy when they can see themselves in your shoes. And that's the key. Now, this is where print on demand becomes truly powerful in this plan. So you're able to actually create extensions of the lifestyle that you're showing. So if you're doing, say, a cozy morning piece of content, then you could have a coffee mug with a cozy morning saying. And if your content is representing a quiet home, you could have wall art about slow living. Or if you're creating a day in the life routine, you could have accompanying journals to help you organize your day. So I'm going to go ahead and show you just how simple it is to create a notebook just like this one. So first we're going to go into Canva and create a very simple design. Then we're going to pop over to Printify and search for their journals, and we can see this best-selling journal right here. So we're going to click on that. And then we can simply start designing. And then this is where we go ahead and upload our design. So then we have the front cover and the back cover, and then we can go ahead and save the product. Then Printify will provide you with some mock-ups so you can see what the product will look like and add these to your listing. Then Printify will help you optimize your listing with their AI tools. You can set your own price and check how big you would like your profit margins to be. And then you simply publish it. And then this is what it looks like in a Printify pop-up shop, which is 100% free to set up. So I'm going to leave my link down below so you can get started with Printify 100% free. I'm also going to link for you a free trial of one of my favorite design platforms, Creative Fabrica, where you can get print on demand assets. And that is where I got the teddy bear that I used on my journal. And as you can see, it comes with commercial and full print on demand usage allowed. And make sure that you read their guide here for best practices. And also know that if you are selling on Etsy, you have to be very careful about following their policies for creating unique designs. And when people already love your content, then the products that you're showing in your content will already feel natural. So it's not going to be forced or salesy in any way. It's literally just a part of the world that you already built, that you have welcomed people into. So here's a very simple formula that you can follow. For example, if you want to share a relatable moment, you could post something like, I don't think people realize how peaceful it is to stay at home, cook a meal, and focus on your own life. And then you could include a lifestyle image that is coffee, a laptop, and a quiet room. Or you could share a relatable story about what you value and what matters to you. And then you mix in something like, these are the kind of reminders that I like to keep around my home, and that would be a product pitch. Not every post, but a few times per week. And this is how you create lifestyle content that seamlessly goes into product content without any hard selling. And this works so well on Facebook because Facebook is built for connection. People scroll all day long looking for relatability, comfort, motivation, and identity. And when your content gives people that, they start to trust you. And when they trust you, they start to buy from you. And this works whether you're doing print on demand with Printify, or affiliate marketing, or selling courses, or selling anything that you could possibly imagine. Because human psychology never changes. So if you're ready to use Facebook to build an income stream, then stop focusing on product. Start focusing more on telling stories. Show the life, show the emotion, show the identity. Then let the products naturally fit into that world. And if you're ready to learn how I use Facebook with content monetization and print on demand as some of my main income streams, be sure to check the links directly below in the description where I break it all down step by step.